Okay, hello everybody. This is Mike here again. So I'm going to do another in my continuing series of videos of how to teach kids how to program with MicroBit by BBC. I'm still using version 1, and I can't tell you how much fun. I personally have a lot of fun teaching programming classes using the MicroBits because I think it's so easy. And I use Microsoft MakeCode to do it. And this is one of the classes that, this is one of the lessons in my series of classes that I've been teaching. And so today we're going to create a dice, rolling dice. You can do, I'm going to do 1 through 6. But if you play like games like D&D and other stuff, you can do 0 through 10 or 8-sided or 10 or 20-sided or whatever sided you can do that with the MicroBit. It's pretty cool. And what I like about this lesson is it teaches you a lot of the different functions and inputs for the MicroBit, the forever loops and so on. And it also teaches you how to use the accelerometer data. Which is built into the MicroBit, which is another really cool thing about the MicroBit. It has built-in sensors and like accelerometers and compasses and stuff. So let me kind of just like jump in, show you. It's really easy, but let me share my screen and I'll show you how to program. So again, I'm using MakeCode, which combined with our MicroBit makes a great programming environment for many reasons. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you'll see why. And how easy it is. So click on MicroBit, bring up dice. So basically I have a blank area. So basic on start. Basic forever. It's another really cool thing. You can do multiple different things. So you can have the MicroBit do one thing on start, and then after that, you can basically do a forever loop. Oh, then I want to pull this really cool command from inputs. This is basically reading the accelerometer data. I want 2 of them. Okay, because you see it basically yellows this out because you can't have 2 inputs to do the same thing. So I want to create a variable real fast. Oh, I already did, called number. And then I want a set number, which is right here. It's the only variable I have. On start. So basically what I'm doing is when the MicroBit starts up my variable number, I'll show you how to create a variable. Just click make a variable and then just name it whatever you want. I did number. Let's do number 2. We don't need a number 2, but that's just how you do it. Really easy. So when you then click on variables again, gives you the option to select the set command. Okay. You'll see what I'm doing here. And then bring in on forever. Okay. So I want it to show the number. And then it's, oh. Okay, if you see what I did, is it's on the forever loop. I basically said just show the number. Let's see, what else do I need to do? Oh, I need to pull in one of the math functions, the purple ones. So I'm going to have it do pick random. So on a shake, I'm going to have it pick random. Let's put it up here so you can see it. Let's put them kind of put them in order of what I'm trying to do here. You don't have to do this, so it just makes it easier to understand what's going on. So on start of the MicroBit, I set the number to 0. On shake, which is basically shake, you can do all kinds of cool things with the accelerometer and the gyro. So on shake, set number to pick a random number between 1 and 6. Pretty cool. Then to basically reset, I want to pick on screen down. So what I mean by screen down is when the LEDs pointed down. I basically set the number back to 0, so I reset it. Then, and the final thing, I always just loop through this one. I always show the number. If you don't show the number, nothing's going to, you're not going to see anything. So pretty simple. Use these two basic commands on start and forever. I use these two input loops or so on shake. So on shake or on screen down, I do something different. So on shake, basically just shake it. I'll show you here. I set the number to pick a random number between 1 and 6. So you can change this to make it, like I said, 20-sided die with 0 through 20. It's probably not going to display 20 very well. Let's see what happens. Nah, because only going to display one number. Yeah, I think it's just basically 1 through 9. Let's do 1 through 6. Let's see if I can figure out how to do greater numbers than 2 digits, 10 and above, 10 and greater. So basically on pick random 0 through 6, and on screen down reset, and then forever display. That's just the basic code. It's not very complicated. There's 2. There's 1. I'm testing the code now. That's the great thing about the MicroBit. Sometimes I get the same number over and over again. It works a lot better with the actual MicroBit. And I'll show you here in a second. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do is, you can see I got my MicroBit plugged in and paired already. So it's already paired, so I'm going to download my code. Light flashes. So on start is 0. 5, 1, 6, 5, 3, 2, 6, 4, 1, 4. Like you say, you're just reading accelerometer data. And what just happens when I place it face down? It should reset to 0. Shake it. Wow. Okay, 1, 6, reset, 0. Hope you can see this. Very simple. Just basically creating a random dice with the MicroBit using accelerometer. And then based on a reset. Very cool. So real quick, for more advanced kids, you can basically click on JavaScript, which is another cool feature of MicroBit. And it's really cool. So basically what's happening here, I hope you can see it, on input, on gesture, gesture, screen down, basically call the function, excuse me, and make the number 0. Input, on gesture, gesture shake, function call, get you your random number generator 0 through 6, and that is then that's the number now. Let number be 0. If number is 0, basic function forever. Just show the number. This is basically on start. What's going on there? So the kids can jump back and forth between JavaScript and blocks. Kind of give them an idea of what they did in JavaScript. So you can kind of give them an idea of how to do some basic JavaScript programming too. But I usually leave that to older kids, like middle school. Well, kids getting ready to go into high school, kids in high school. The cool thing is they can use the MicroBit and just use JavaScript to program with it. So, like I said, I really enjoy or have fun using the MicroBit to do programming for young kids. It's a great way to get them started. Really easy. So let me, so again, it's just really simple code, as you can see. Let me stop sharing my screen so you can see it a little bit better. So it starts at 0, 1, 1, 3, 2, 6, 0, 4, 6, 4, 1. Sometimes it goes to 0, which is kind of interesting. 6. So let me turn it down here. It should reset it to 0. 3, 2, I can do this probably forever, 5. But this is just a cool way to teach kids how to create random numbers. Use the MicroBit accelerometer. Use forever loops on start, shakes, and all that kind of stuff. So very cool. So thanks again for watching this video. Simple programming video for kids on MicroBit. And thanks for watching, and leave comments, or maybe you want the MicroBit to do something, or you have an issue or have problems, or just have a question. Just leave it in the comments and I'll try to get to it and help you out. And once again, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.